Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you're staying safe and sound at home. Actually, we are passing through a very critical moment. But we have to go ahead. We have to carry on our study. At first, before starting my class, I want to thank National Idol School to take an effective initiatives to help the students. As a part of these initiatives, me, Rupa Shaha, Assistant Teacher English, National Idol School, Building 7, am trying to take class through online. Today, I will take class on conditional sentence, which is based on class 9 and 10. Dear students, conditional sentence is very helpful to make sentence clearly and properly. Not only that, as a part of completing sentence, you have to know conditional sentence properly. Okay, let's start my class. Before taking the lesson, I want to know you what is conditional sentence. In Bengal, conditional sentence means shortomulok bakyo. We can define the conditional sentence in this way. Conditional sentence বা শর্তমূলক বাক্য হলো কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সের সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজটি যদি প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজের কন্ডিশন বা শর্ত হিসেবে কাজ করে তাহলে আমরা সেটিকে কন্ডিশনাল সেন্টেন্স বলতে পারি। Okay, I define the conditional sentence through the example. Here, if you invite me, I will join you. যদি তুমি আমাকে নিমন্ত্রণ করো আমি যোগদান করব। Here is the condition and here is the result. That means subordinate clause, complex sentence এর subordinate clause আমরা কিভাবে বুঝবো? That means subordinate clause এ সবসময় একটা কনজাংশন যুক্ত থাকবে। যদি আমরা ইফটাকে বাদ দিই তাহলে সেটা হবে মেইন ক্লজ। কিন্তু যখনই আমরা ইফটাকে অ্যাড করব তখনই সেটা কি হিসেবে কাজ করবে? সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ হিসেবে কাজ করবে। Because if is used here as conjunction and we must not forget to put a comma after the sentence. Then main clause that means subject plus verb plus object. I think you are clear now. Okay, কাজের শর্ত বা কন্ডিশন পূরণের সম্ভাব্যতার উপর ভিত্তি করে কন্ডিশনাল সেন্টেন্সগুলোকে চার ভাগে ভাগ করা যায়। ফার্স্ট কন্ডিশনাল, সেকেন্ড কন্ডিশনাল, third conditional and zero conditional. As far as I know, the students, you know 3 types of conditional. But today, I will introduce you with another conditional, that is zero conditional. Second conditional কে আমরা অন্যভাবেও পেয়ে থাকি, that means unreal past হিসাবে। Okay, I gradually explain all conditional sentences step by step with example. Dear students, follow me. First of all, first conditional. That means probable sentence. Probable sentence means সম্ভাব্য বাক্য. The structure is E plus subject plus verb present from plus object. Then we must use comma. Then subject plus may, oblique will, oblique can. we can call them as models plus verb present form. I think you all know that after model we must use verb present form. The example is, if you come, I will go. তুমি যদি আসো আমি যাব. Dear students, listen to the class very carefully. I again explain the structure. If subject verb present from come, then comma subject morals and verb present from. Okay, next one is improbable or second conditional. Improbable means অসম্ভাব্য. That means second conditional. E plus subject plus V2 plus object, comma subject plus might oblique would and verb present from plus extension. Dear students, in first conditional we have used may, will, can. That means modal but present form. And in second conditional we have converted these conditionals into past form: may, might, will, would, can, could. You can ask me a question that why we have used might, would, could. You have to keep in your mind that when we use past form in subordinate clause, we must change the modals into past form. Okay. The example is, if I knew her name, I would tell you. যদি আমি তার নাম জানতাম আমি তাকে বলতাম. Please, dear students, follow the structure. If plus subject plus V2 knew. Okay, knew. That means knew is the past form of know. Know is the present form and knew is the past form. Her name I would. Since we have used knew, that's why we have to convert the modals into past form will, would. And after modal we must use verb present form. Tell you. We can expose second conditional like this structure. This is called unreal past. And in this structure we must use or. If plus subject plus or plus object, then subject plus might oblique would oblique could plus verb present form plus extension. All are same as second conditional, but you have to use or here. I think the students now you are clear about second conditional. Okay, I have again show you an example of unreal past. If I were a king, I would help the poor. That means আমি যদি রাজা হতাম আমি গরিবদের সহযোগিতা করতাম. If I were not busy, I would go there. আমি যদি ব্যস্ত না থাকতাম তাহলে আমি সেখানে যেতাম. Dear students, the two sentences are on unreal past. Is like as second conditional. Okay. Next one is impossible or third conditional sentences. The structure is if plus subject plus had plus V3. Okay. I again mention that V1 equal to verb present from, V2 equal to verb past from, and V3 equal to verb past participle form. Plus object, comma, subject plus might have, oblique would have, oblique could have, plus V3, that means verb past participle form plus extension. Dear students, here you must use have. All things, all auxiliaries have have, had, we can explain third conditional sentences another way. Had plus subject plus V3 plus object. You have to keep in mind when you use had before the sentence, you must omit if. Object, subject might have, would have, oblique would have plus V3 plus extension. The example, if the weather had been good, they would have been landed in London. The structure is that if subject had plus VQ plus extension, that means V3 verb past participle form, comma, subject plus would have been verb V3 extension. I think you are clear now. Another example is that had he gone there, he would have got that opportunity. Here I have omitted if and put had before the sentence. Please follow this. Had he gone there, he would have got that opportunity. সে যদি সেখানে যেত তাহলে সে সুযোগটি পেত। Okay, dear students, we have already discussed 3 conditional sentences. Now I will introduce you a new conditional, that is zero conditional. Okay, what is the structure of zero conditional? Please, dear students, listen to me very carefully. If plus subject plus verb present form plus object, subject plus verb present form plus object. Though it is as similar as first conditional, it maintains some rules. Actually, zero conditional sentence, when we use universal truth and scientific instruments, we must use zero conditional. The example is here. If the sun rises, darkness disappears. যদি সূর্য ওঠে অন্ধকার দূর হয়ে যাবে, অদৃশ্য হয়ে যাবে. That means the sun rises. This is a universal truth. That's why we have used zero conditional. That means verb present from and verb present from. Now, the students, I think you are clear about conditional sentences. Stay safe and stay at home. I will get back to you with another class. Till then, be well. Thank you.